Wood-Mizer Bandsaw blades can be found in sawmills in over 100 countries worldwide. They work in different climate zones and environments, cutting every kind of wood, from hard tropical African logs to soft coniferous European timber. Wood-Mizer is a world-leading brand in the market of wood processing machinery. In Europe, we've been active for more than 30 years, and the name of our company is synonymous with premium quality band sawmills. In the heart of every such machine there's a blade, doing an amazing job of converting logs into valuable building material.